Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pressing y equals to open the function editor and entering your first equation. This gets the calculator ready for graphing. Once done, make sure to clear any ghosted functions so they don't interfere. Use x, t, theta, n for the variable x, and always include parentheses when multiplying or grouping terms. This avoids order of operations errors. For powers use, and for division use slash. These precise keystrokes ensure the Ti-84 interprets your math exactly the way you intend. Next, adjust your viewing window so your graph is meaningful. Press Window and set Xmin, Xmax, Imin, Imax plus scales XSCL and ISCL. If you prefer an automatic fit, use Zoom then Option 6, or Zoom Stat to fit plotted data. Once displayed, press Trace to move along the curve and inspect coordinates. This helps verify intercepts and maxima. You can change line styles and axis visibility in Format or use the Graph button to refresh. These steps ensure the graph communicates the right scale and detail. Finally, analyze features using Second Trace to access the Calc menu. Find zeros, intersections, maxima, and minima by following the prompts. This gives exact values. If a graph doesn't appear, first ensure the function's equal sign is highlighted in y equals and confirm your window isn't too zoomed or off-screen. If problems persist, perform a soft reset with second MEM, selecting Reset. Be careful, back up any programs or lists first. These checks fix most issues while preserving your work when possible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.